actually cooking our favorite Thai dishes today. The 5 things that we love the most, we're actually gonna cook today. So excited. The first thing is we go around the market and learn about all the different ingredients that we are using today in cooking class. Mango sticky rice. What's really cool about this market, it feels super local. We actually went very outside of the city. Nothing is in English. They are just the products that locals use. Oh, and all the fresh herbs. You should smell it. My favorite herb looks very different here in Thailand. This is probably why I couldn't find it in any store in every market. This is Thai cilantro. It smells absolutely the same. It tastes fantastic in every dish. It just is incognito. These little ones are actually teeny tiny eggplants. I would have never guessed that. We're going to use them today as well. On the tour of the market, we learned about all the different ingredients we're going to use. Produce and herbs, spices, the noodles, all the sauces we're going to use. It's just so cool, I cannot end my sentence. Before we head to the cooking class at the property, we are both in need of a coffee. And there's of course also a really nice Thai, cute local coffee shop around the corner, so that's what we're going to do next. First things first, as always, we need a coffee. Outrageous.
Cheers.
Biggest coffee I had in years.
And because it's super hot today, iced. Oh, this is nice.
Now we're going to have cooking class. What is this place? This is just amazing. Look at this. There are even little mans like turning the wheel. This is so cute. What did we get ourselves into? This is amazing. I just stay here. I just hide on the toilet at night and then I can stay here forever. Look at it.
So they really put an incredible scenery here on this property, aka the cooking school. It's amazing. Look at this.
Wow. First thing you do here after you get your welcome drink is you go around and pick your fresh herbs right from their private garden.
Lotus is edible flower.
I didn't know that you can eat lotus. It sounds delicious.
Now we're gonna go into the mushroom house.
Even grow their own fungus.
That's right.
Thai ginger is totally different from the ginger you probably know from home. If you smell your ginger at home, it's like smelling very spicy. This one smells rather sweet and very innocent. And if you bite it, it's a bit like biting into a chili for cooking. I tried it already, I don't want again. After 5 seconds it kicks in. And now it's coming. But it's still very delicious. And it's tasting different than chili, but it like has the spice of chili. Okay, let's use it rather for cooking than eating.
I think it's fascinating that they grow so many herbs and plants here on the property that they are using for the dishes. Another essential ingredient is turmeric. It looks like little fingers. It's orange inside and it's part of a lot of curries. And an extra tip, if you have mosquito bites, just take a bit of turmeric, rub it on the mosquito bite and you'll be relieved.
So this is a butterfly flower. It's an edible flower and people put it on decoration on ice cream and mango sticky rice, or you can prepare a special tea with it. Maybe we see that later.
I think level 20 out of 10.
Maddy, shall I dare?
Oh, no,
No?
I don't want you to get the hiccups. Then you're constantly next to me. And maybe I need a yogurt. We reached my favorite herb. Incognito cilantro. This is tom yum kum, which is always a double leaf and is used for tom yum, as the name already indicates. And they're also the kefir limes, grow on these trees, and it smells like a Thai spa, I would describe it. And we use the skin, the leaf, and the juice. Let's go cooking!
Before we get into the nitty-gritty of cooking, cheers. Wow, this is amazing.
And the coffee from Thai equipment.
So first dishes, tom yum and coconut soup. Let's go.
Turmeric here, kefir lime, lemongrass, and garlic clove. And now it's chopping time. So all of this are ingredients for curry paste. So this is really making from scratch. We start with a curry paste just to be able to cook a curry. So this looks a bit different because mine is for tom yum and Sascha's is for coconut soup. So his looks a bit smoother, but I already got the compliment. It's like made by a Thai chef.
If you get fired up between the steps a bit, a cold drink.
I already tried mine, it's yum. And then we tried tom yum, and since then it's our favorite dish.
Nice.
It's yum.
Yum.
And I still think it's called tom yum because it's yum.
Oh.
Even though that's not okay. I made my own tom yum.
Yeah, so welcome to the very first degustation, huh? Let's dig in.
I also got the cilantro from a neighbor because he's allergic. So there's a lot of cilantro in there. Very refreshing, even on a hot summer day, and a lot of spices and herbs because I also got the ones from my neighbor. Question number 1, can Sascha cook is if he gets instructions? I think that's even better than mine. Honey, you should always cook.
First two dishes, huh? They were absolutely fantastic. And now we're moving on to Thailand's national dish, Pad Thai. Here we go.
Time to try Pad Thai and holy basil stir fry, 2 of the national dishes. This is the best Pad Thai I had.
Honey, you did a great job.
Now we're getting the signature dish of Chiang Mai, khao soi.
And I'm gonna try the Penang curry. Let's go.
I think it's really cool that we get to cook, because we're 2, we get to cook like the whole variety of all the recipes. And I'm very proud of my Thai chef-like curry paste. We're gonna use that now for the khao soi.
Step 1, cook the curry in low heat. As soon as it gets dry, coconut milk. Maddy took over my pot.
Gonna help Sascha because khao soi is very easy and I don't have to do anything. And since Sascha is always operating the camera, sometimes he has a hard time cooking at the same time, which I would probably not mention at all. So props to you, but now I'm helping cooking.
Eggplant, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I gotta say, this is so much fun. Normally Maddy's behind the counter, and now it's my turn. And so far, I think I'm doing a great job. But don't tell her.
No, I really feel like street food. Ba-bam. And now the fried noodles.
Very Chiang Mai.
And last but not least, so proud. This is a lot of fun. I love it.
Wow. Man, we did that all from scratch. It's unbelievable. I love the curry. Try it. You'll love it.
With chili, oh my god.
Some might say it's the best. It's great, right? As long as you give me instructions, I can make it work. This is so flavorful. It's incredible.
Okay, now we're going to appetizers and dessert. First, appetizer, spring rolls, fried. Everything's fried today. So this is the filling of the fried spring rolls, and now we let it cool down, and while that we are preparing this outer layer. I don't even know how it's called, like this wrap tortilla kind of thing, and then we're gonna enjoy it with homemade sweet sauce. So we got the rice paper, we let the filling cool down, and this paper, you're supposed to be very careful unfolding it, and it has a soft side and a rough side, and the rough side goes on the inside, so you have the very soft outside as a beautiful presentation. And now comes the part where I hopefully don't ruin it. You're supposed to fold it perfectly, and then you grab it here and pull it back an inch. Then you roll 2 times. 1, 2. Then you fold here. Not there. You fold in the front. Close this beautiful spring roll of mine, and then you take water and make the whole side wet, so it's gonna get sticky, and you got a spring roll. I have a weird edge. Anyway, first spring roll. Mango sticky rice, and we're doing a special version, purple with the flowers, with the butterfly flowers. First own mango sticky rice, and it's even purple, made with my new favorite flower. It's delicious. I love the whole experience. I'm just smiling all the time. Oh, eating all this delicious food. I think this is really our thing. Let's move on for
the last
salad.
one.
Last one for
Papaya
today.
salad.
Papaya salad. So now we did 3 more courses. Papaya salad, self-fried spring rolls, and mango sticky rice. We're gonna enjoy now our last 3 dishes. That's been it for our cooking class. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. It was just awesome, like how it prepares all the recipes, the taste. It's very relaxing, even though we cooked a lot of dishes, so like no stress at all. We loved it a lot, and cheers. See you in the next one. So we are heading to a
Welcome to the local market. Go.
Und jetzt soll ich was sagen?
Yeah.